Okay guys, here we go. 2022 Sherco SE 300 two-stroke. Man, just looking at this thing, it jumps out at you. It is so sharp. So, changes for 2022. The most obvious change is the graphics design. They went back from a primarily white with some blue to a primarily blue. Still a lot of their signature highlighter or flow yellow, which makes it look great. But probably my favorite change to the look this year is the gray they implemented. You guys know I love the grays. This gray diamond pattern seat with this little gray implemented here in the graphic just looks awesome. I've always loved Sherco's seats with just the quick release right here. Just twist that and the whole thing pops off. Super easy. If you guys didn't know, these things have an FMF head pipe. They have an aluminum silencer, KYB suspension. They come stock with an AXP 6mm skid plate. So those things are pretty thick, guys, in the world of skid plates. So pretty bash proof. They have a Galfer Wave front rotor. There's a new handlebar pad this year. The Shercos are also unique in that they come with the coolant expansion tank and a radiator fan stock. I don't believe you find that anywhere else. Correct me if I'm wrong. Also, the brake pads changed for this year. They are a new Brembo pad. So that's going to be your changes for 2022. I think this bike looks better than the 2021 model. These things are sweet, guys. If you want a 300 two-stroke, you want an ultimate woods weapon, and you don't want TPI, you want that carburetor for whatever reason, this is your bike. This is your machine. Okay guys, if you're interested in one of these Shercos or a Beta or a KTM group bike, you need to email sales@aomc.mx and they will get you hooked up. All right, let's start this thing up. All right guys, there you go. 2022 Sherco SE 300. I'll see you guys in the next one.